Hey, amongst everything else going on, there was a train show in a place called The Villages, Florida, and I have a son that lives up near Ocala area, so it was on the way. So I stopped in there on my way up, and I ended up purchasing 3 things. And it's not that I needed any of them, but the prices were too good that I could not pass up. So here we have a 2023 AA. It's in fairly good shape. Has the horn in it, has the relay, it's complete. Cosmetically, probably would grade very good plus, I guess. And I was pleasantly surprised. The guy wanted $80 for this set, and I got it for $65. Go ahead and send that one around. And the next item I picked up were a set of 208 Santa Fe's. Wrong base. I just bought this for the one shell. This shell is not too bad considering everything's going on. No cracked apron. And it's got the majority of its decal, and it runs. So I needed a shell more than anything else. The unpowered unit shell was okay, but the apron is missing. I have the it has the metal bracket in place, but the apron part is missing. But as it is, it runs pretty good. But again, I only bought this for the shell. And that thing set me back $50. I can't, you know, parts alone, working engine chassis, that should draw that all day. So happy with that set. Then the last thing I bought was the biggest bargain, and I'll get that out next. All right, so here's the last thing. It's the post-war celebration Texas Special F3 AB unit. This particular unit was made in 1999, and it has rail sounds. Okay. Now I don't have the battery in it. That's why when I'm turning off the power, the sound is shutting off. But these guys were, they probably were test run, but they were new in the box. The box over here, and that I don't. The guy had one thing left on his table, and I think he wanted to go home. I got that for 150 bucks. That is the find of the day. I couldn't be happier with that. Now I have the post-war version, but I'll be running these now. I'm not going to take any more chances with my other ones. So that was my train show weekend. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys were able to get out and find something else that you guys wanted. And I'll be picking up with another set. I actually now have the complete TCA F3 and all 9 of the passenger cars. So that'll be my next showcase set for my next video. Have a good day.